Hey everyone, welcome to Jalvi. So today I'm going to share you guys how you can get this gorgeous waves. This gorgeous heat curls without any heat. Trust me, without any heat. So if you like this what we are watching right now, so keep on watching. So now we will start. My hairs are semi-dry and I've combed through it everywhere. Now I'm using this Nova styling mousse. First I'm using this one, and first I'm going to do two sections over here, two thick sections, as I want a thick curls, and if you want smaller curls then you can go for smaller ones. So first we will do this section, keep this section away, so we will clutch it like this and keep it away. And for this section we're going to take little moves on our hands like this and apply this on this section. And now what we are going to do, we are going to I'm simply doing the loose wave curls, as I like loose wave curls. So we will braid this section now. Normal braid, normal Indian braid. Take like this, like this, like this, and left, right, and do thicker. So after plating one side you should do like this. Then after take another plate, then do like this. So what this will do, this will tighten your curls. Do tight like this, pull like this, like this, like this, and keep doing it. The tips I like to do, I just twist it and take elastic like so, and I will tie it like this. First I will go through this like this, and I will take this end in this itself, and I will roll it inside the rubber itself. This will give a natural, and then I will tie the last wala section also like this and do the elastic round like this. It's a messy thing, so you will get the ends also a natural look for the curls. Do little tight one, so like this, and put it like this. So you will see something like this, the thick braid, and this kind of the ends will get the natural waves like this. So now we are going to do the second section. We will put this back, take section, comb it, and again we'll do this part. So we'll take again, shake it, take like this, go like this, and we are going to braid this also. Do 3 sections. As I am having layers, so no need to worry, some hairs will come out, some will not. This is actually the concept, it will look natural. So tie like this, do it tight like this. Again we'll go and keep going. So now we have reached the end. As you can see, some hairs are going out, so it's okay. We will take like this the end section. We will do 1, 2 and 8. We will put this hair inside the rubber. You need not to be very specific actually, as we are it is going to be very messy. This will hold like this. Now I will do this side also. Okay. Again I am going to take this. Now start braiding. 3 sections. One this side. This like this. Pull, pull. One this side. Pull. One this side. Pull. And keep going. So here our ponies are ready. You can keep this for overnight also, or otherwise max to max 3 to 4 hours also. So now then you will reach this your curls. So now we will let it sit for this 3 to 4 hours and we will see what happens next, everyone. So now we'll remove. I've kept this around 4 to 5 hours and I'm ready for my outing also. So get started. Now see this baby, you get such a beautiful curls all over, natural waves. So here are my heatless curls without any means. Simply just you have to braid your babies and they flat straight hairs, flat straight. So this is the result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. I love you all. Bye.